What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to unbox, well, you guessed it right, Batman Beyond by Mezcotoyz. So this is an Mezco Deluxe exclusive. And I believe Southstop Collectibles Philippines still have two of these, but both are already pre-owned. So here it is. We just remove the packaging. And look at that. Oh. Oops. Be right back. And we are back. So let's try that again. Yep. Still complete. But we will have to remove the figure. Yes, right there. I like it. Yep, it's cool, right? And the purpose of these is where you can mount the Batwing. Of course, the wing is tucked inside the third layer of the packaging. So that's the base and that's the wing. And this is the one that we are going to mount. Here, just remove this one. So that's stuck there. There you go. And that's the peg right there. There you go. So I placed the alternate head, which is the more serious one. Looks good. Articulation, it's tight. Oh, this is my personal collection. So the one you will be purchasing from Southstop Collectibles is pre-owned and safe and good as new. Right there. Let me just try and mount this on. Looks good, right? Oops. There we go. Mezco Deluxe exclusive, Mezcotoyz 112 Collective, Batman Beyond. Thank you for watching.